Looking for motorcycles you can trust for years? Here are the top 7 most reliable motorcycles of 2026. Let's start with number 7. At number 7, 2026 Honda CB500 Hornet. A motorcycle built for reliability, simplicity, and smooth performance. This bike is perfect for riders who want a dependable machine without the constant worry of maintenance. The CB500 Hornet is powered by Honda's 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Smooth, efficient, and famously durable. It delivers consistent power for city riding, highway cruising, or weekend trips. And it barely asks for anything beyond basic service. Honda has designed this bike with minimal fuss. Easy-to-reach service points, long-lasting components, and proven Japanese engineering. Mechanics rarely see these in their shops except for routine oil changes, which is exactly why it's considered one of the most reliable bikes in its class. The seating is comfortable, the handling light and precise, and the ergonomics make it ideal for longer rides without fatigue. It's not flashy, but that's the beauty of it. You get a bike that keeps running year after year, mile after mile. For 2026, the CB500 Hornet continues to be one of the most trusted motorcycles for both new and experienced riders. If you want a bike that simply works and keeps giving without surprise breakdowns, the Honda CB500 Hornet is a perfect choice to start this list. Number 6, 2026 Honda CB650R. A stylish middleweight naked bike that combines reliability with a modern sporty feel. It's perfect for riders who want smooth performance without constant maintenance or unexpected issues. The CB650R features Honda's 649cc inline-4 engine. Refined, responsive, and famously dependable, it delivers smooth power across all RPMs, making city rides, highway cruising, or weekend trips effortless and worry-free. Honda has engineered this bike with durability in mind. High-quality components, minimal complexity, and easy serviceability make it one of the most trusted middleweight bikes in its class. Even mechanics will tell you, these rarely come in for anything beyond basic maintenance. The CB650R is also rider-friendly. Lightweight handling, upright ergonomics, and a comfortable seat make it ideal for longer rides without fatigue. Its balance of performance and reliability gives you confidence every time you twist the throttle. For 2026, minor refinements are expected. Subtle electronics updates, improved suspension, and sleek styling touches that enhance the riding experience while keeping the mechanicals bulletproof. If you want a bike that's reliable, stylish, and fun to ride, the Honda CB650R is an outstanding choice for both new and experienced riders. It's proof that Honda's engineering continues to deliver smooth, stress-free motorcycles year after year. Number 5, 2026 Yamaha MT-07. A middleweight masterpiece that has earned a reputation for bulletproof reliability. This bike is loved worldwide because it's simple, fun, and almost impossible to break. The MT-07 features Yamaha's 689 cubic centimeters CP2 parallel twin engine, smooth, torquey, and proven over hundreds of thousands of kilometers. It delivers consistent power across all RPMs, making it perfect for commuting, weekend rides, or even spirited, twisty road runs. Maintenance is minimal. Parts are widely available, and Yamaha engineering ensures that these bikes rarely require anything beyond routine oil changes and chain maintenance. Mechanics often joke that MT-07s are the bikes they don't see in the shop, because they just keep running. The lightweight chassis and balanced handling make the MT-07 extremely confidence-inspiring, especially for riders who want a stress-free experience. Comfortable ergonomics, smooth suspension, and agile handling mean you can ride all day without fatigue. For 2026, Yamaha has made subtle refinements, improved electronics, minor styling updates, and enhanced ride feel, while keeping the core reliability intact. If you're looking for a bike that's exciting, dependable, and virtually worry-free, the Yamaha MT-07 is one of the most reliable motorcycles you can buy in 2026. It's the kind of machine you can ride for years without a second thought. Number 4. 2026 Kawasaki Versys 650. A middleweight adventure bike known for its reliability and versatility. It's built for riders who want a motorcycle that can handle city streets, highways, and even light off-road rides without breaking down. The heart of the bike is Kawasaki's 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, smooth, durable, and proven over years of use worldwide. It delivers predictable torque, responsive throttle, and consistent performance mile after mile. The Versys 650 is designed with practicality in mind. Its maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, chain care, and occasional checks are all that's needed. Mechanics agree, these bikes rarely visit the shop for anything serious. The chassis and suspension are tuned for comfort and stability. With upright ergonomics, light handling, and a balanced frame, long rides feel effortless and confidence-inspiring for riders of all skill levels. For 2026, Kawasaki has made subtle improvements, updated electronics, ride modes, and minor styling tweaks while keeping the mechanicals bulletproof. It's reliable, smooth, and surprisingly fun to ride every day. If you want a motorcycle that's practical, dependable, and built to last, the Kawasaki Versys 650 is one of the most trusted options for 2026. It's a bike that lets you focus on the ride, not the repairs. Number 3. 2026 Honda NC750X. A motorcycle designed for reliability, practicality, and stress-free riding. It's perfect for riders who want a bike that just works day in and day out without unexpected breakdowns. The NC750X is powered by Honda's 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Smooth, efficient, and virtually bulletproof, it delivers calm, steady power for city commuting, highway cruising, or long weekend trips, all while consuming very little fuel. Honda has built this bike with low maintenance in mind. Routine oil changes and chain adjustments are essentially all it needs. Mechanics often say this is the type of bike that rarely enters the workshop, a true proof of dependability. Its ergonomics are comfortable, suspension forgiving, and handling light and confidence-inspiring. The NC750X's practical design, including the clever storage compartment where the fuel tank usually sits, adds daily convenience while keeping reliability high. For 2026, Honda is expected to refine electronics slightly, improve ride modes, and keep the styling modern, but the mechanical simplicity and dependability remain the core strengths. If you want a motorcycle that will keep rolling year after year with minimal fuss, the Honda NC750X is a perfect choice. Smooth, practical, and durable, this is reliability you can feel every time you ride. Number 2. 2026 Yamaha Ténéré 700. A lightweight adventure bike that's as reliable as it is versatile. Riders love this bike because it's engineered to handle everything from city streets to rugged off-road trails without ever letting you down. Under the tank, you'll find Yamaha's proven 689 cubic centimeters CP2 parallel twin engine. Smooth, efficient, and legendary for long-term durability. It delivers a perfect balance of torque and response, making both slow maneuvers and highway cruising effortless. The Ténéré 700 is built for minimal maintenance. With simple mechanics, widely available parts, and a reputation for bulletproof reliability, this bike rarely requires more than basic servicing. Mechanics often say these bikes are almost invincible on the road. Its suspension is long travel and forgiving. The ergonomics upright and comfortable, and the lightweight chassis keeps handling predictable in every condition. Whether you're commuting, touring, or exploring off-road, the Ténéré inspires confidence. For 2026, subtle updates are expected. Refined electronics, minor styling tweaks, and improved ergonomics, while the engine and frame remain rock solid. If you want an adventure-capable motorcycle that's virtually worry-free, the Yamaha Ténéré 700 is the perfect example of reliability and durability. Ride it anywhere for years and it will never let you down. Number 1. 2026 Honda Africa Twin. The ultimate adventure bike known for decades of legendary reliability. This motorcycle has proven itself in some of the harshest conditions worldwide, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Under the tank, the Africa Twin features Honda's 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Smooth, torquey, and incredibly durable. It delivers predictable, controllable power for both highway cruising and off-road adventures, making it virtually worry-free. The Africa Twin's chassis, suspension, and ergonomics are designed for comfort, stability, and long-term durability. Riders can spend hours on this bike without fatigue, and the design makes maintenance simple and straightforward. Honda has also refined electronics, ride modes, and traction control for 2026, but the mechanical reliability remains bulletproof. Mechanics know this is one of the least troublesome adventure motorcycles ever made. Its versatility is unmatched. From long-distance touring to weekend dirt trails, the Africa Twin keeps performing perfectly every time. It's a motorcycle you can trust for years, with minimal upkeep and maximum confidence on the road. If there's a 2026 motorcycle that truly embodies reliability, durability, and adventure-ready performance, it's the Honda Africa Twin. Ride it anywhere year after year and it will never let you down. Which of these reliable machines would you ride first? Comment below, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more 2026 motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.